Alright, looks like somebody dropped a mail package out there. Did we do that? I don't remember doing that. Go out and check it, see what it is. Looks like they threw it from the car and like, can't be bothered to take it all the way to the front door.
What is this, the newspaper?
Some more seeds, but...
Jeez, guys, take it all the way up.
Yeah, see, the door is right there. That's where you take it to.
You trying to get stolen?
Yeah. Like, I wonder if this is how some packages get stolen because they just drop it. There's the sidewalk in the street. You can even see where the car probably parked for a second. This is the package. That's the doorway where it's supposed to go. Not sidewalk. So they threw it from there. Wee blop. Cat's gonna come check it out too. Yum yum. Normally I mark.
Yeah,
we're
gonna mark where it is. We're gonna mark where it is.
We're gonna mark it. All right, go get the phone. No, phone, the marker. Cat's like, I follow y'all. Y'all give me good food. No, the dry stuff. Give me the wet stuff. Or she just wants petting. It's warm enough, she just might want petting. We're supposed to have a channel dedicated to you. Yes. Go check out Eagle's cat. Except most of it's all dogs now. There's still some old stuff with the cat. Would you like to be petted? Yeah. So she wants to be petted, but then she rolls around on the ground. Yeah. Let's go back and see what he's doing. She's marking where it landed. We get to keep memory's sake. They say that's north, that's south, that's east, west. And looky, my turtle vine is growing. Yay! Funny, funny, hilarious. You can see from right here. 3 blocks. They made it 3 whole blocks to here. I missed. Need a better throwing arm. Although, if it was something fragile, that would probably be a bad idea. I think it's just seeds. Let's see. Yeah, it's just seeds. The dog. Cat's like, is that for me? Is that for you? No, okay. Back to petting the cat. Lifting up her tail, exposing it. Yeah, I follow you. Right here? Right here it is. Meow. Meow. I'm right here. I haven't gone anywhere. I think you're wanting me to follow you all the way where the food is. Meow. She has this idea that she pets us, and then we're supposed to follow her and give her good stuff. She's just a great reward for petting us, for letting us pet her. Is that right? We reward you for letting us pet you. Yeah. Or do you just not know where you want to be petted? I marked the shovel as the eagle cats. Alright. You guys can head off and go watch a different video now. I'm just leaving it on because I got OCD and I love videoing things. It's actually our cute cat, which is why we made the channel for her. She's a very difficult animal to pet, though. You know, the dog will stay there. This one you have to follow. So good, I'm getting marked. I'm going to sit cat. which means I'm not chasing you anymore. I love you, world. Thank you for sharing this moment with us. Thank you for not letting us be alone. Thank you for keeping us company. You're keeping us company. I hope we're keeping you company. I love you. I love you to the kitty. I love you to the audience. You. I love you to the home. Anybody who wants to help us save the home? Buy my ex out and then help us transform the home into an edible oasis. And then when we make any profits from the edible oasis, we will then pay you back. And you can earn your money back that you invested in, plus interest, plus back rubs, plus loyalty, and fun. Just lay here. Enjoy the world as it is, distant. Thank you, world. I love you. I love you. I love you too, kitty. So much love for the world. So much hope. So much prayer.